Hello children, welcome to the math class. Children, now I'll discuss about common factors, common multiples. Okay, so first of all you see common factors. Let us now understand common factors with the help of numbers. Many numbers can divide more than one number without leaving a remainder. For example, you see 4 can divide with 20 because we know 4 5s are 20. 4 can divide with 8 because 4 2s are 8, and 4 can divide 16, 4 4s are 16. So 4 is a divisor and a factor of 20, 8 and 16 and many other numbers. So 4 is common factor of these numbers. Now see the example. Find common factors of 12 and 18. So here what we do? First children, we find out the factors of 12. Then find out the factors of 18. Then we find out which are common. Here we can find 1, 2, 3, 6, isn't it? So these are common factor. Clear? Then comes to common multiples. 2 or more numbers can have a common multiple. Since multiples are never ending, we should specify the number of multiples we are going to look at to find some common multiples. Here you see children, here given multiples of 2 and multiples of 4. Multiples means children their product we write, means 2 1s are 2, 2 table you remind, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Like this we continue up to 2 10s are 20. Then multiples of 4, you remind 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Like this we continue up to 10. 4 10s are 40. Then we find out here which are common multiples. So common multiples are which are pink color, you mark 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, these are common multiple. Then co-prime numbers. When two numbers have only one is their common factor, they are called co-prime numbers. One or both the numbers can be composite and still be co-prime. So what are co-prime numbers? For example, you see 4 and 9. Their common factor is only 1. Then twin prime numbers. If two prime numbers have only one number between them, then they are called twin prime numbers. Here 11 and 13 both are prime numbers. Okay? And have only one number between them, that is 12. So 11 and 13 are twin prime numbers. Then perfect numbers. A number which is the sum of all of its factors except the number itself is called perfect number. For example, we see the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3. So if we add these three numbers, we get 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Clear about common factors, common multiples, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers and perfect numbers. Then children comes to my practice time 3. First one you see, one number find the common factors of the following. So first you find out the factors of 20, then find out factors of 24, then which are common you identify and write. Like this you complete one number. Then comes to 2 number. Look at the first 10 multiples of the 2 given numbers and find the common multiples. So first I have to write 10 multiples of 2, then 10 multiples of 3. Then find out their common multiples. Okay. Like this you complete 2 number. Don't need to write 3 and 4 number. Then directly comes to 5 number. Here children you see 5a. Which of these is a perfect number? Perfect number children already we know. Their factors, if we add their factors, if the number is the same, then we get the perfect number. So you check, you find out all the factors. Okay, suppose 26. Factors are 1, 2 and 13. Here if we add these 3 number, we don't get 26. So 26 is not a perfect number. Like this you check 27, 28 and 29. Then comes to B bit. Which among these is a pair of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers, you reminded formula, their common factor is only 1. 14 and 15, their common factor is only 1. So this is the answer. Here you check 14 and 21. They have more than one factor here also and here also more than one factor. So this one is the answer. Then C bit. Which of these is a pair of twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers, here you check. The 2 prime numbers have and the difference will be 1. Here 11 and 17 no, 7 and 17 no, 5 and 11 no. This is the correct answer, 17 and 19, because both are prime number and the difference will be 1. So clear children? So my practice time 3 is your homework. You complete it at your home. Okay? Thank you.